Hi, I'm Cameron from Cape Fear Notary Services. That's class. Welcome back. In this chapter, we dive deeper into the crucial aspect of notarial work, completing notarial certificates. This part of the notarization process is where the notary records the essential details of the notarization, ensuring that the document can be trusted and relied upon by recipients, courts, and other interested parties. Let's break down what you need to know about notarial certificates and their execution. The notarial certificate is the backbone of the notarization process. It provides a detailed account of the notarization, including who signed the document, when, and under what conditions. This certificate ensures that the notarized document can be used as valid evidence in legal matters across the globe, thanks to the notary's sworn status and adherence to state laws. Important tips to remember: identification always requires satisfactory evidence of identification from the signer. Personal appearance: ensure that the signer personally appears before you. Oath or affirmation: administer an oath or affirmation if required by the certificate. Names: include the names of the principal and any subscribing witnesses in the certificate. Verification: confirm that the notarization took place within your commission's geographic limits and that the signer was competent and acted voluntarily. Notaries must complete a notarial certificate, whether it's an acknowledgement, jurat, or verification. If a document lacks a pre-printed certificate, you must ask the signer what type of notarization is needed and provide the appropriate certificate based on their request. You should not select the type of certificate yourself, as this could be considered practicing law. The first and most common type is the acknowledgement certificate. For acknowledgements, ensure the certificate includes the venue, the principal's name, the date, and the notary's signature, seal, and expiration date. If the document was signed before being presented, simply confirm the signer acknowledges their signature. Acknowledgements are the most common, if not only, type of notarial act in loan signings. Some documents recording acknowledgements that have been encountered in loan signings include deed of trust, settlement statements, title affidavits, closing agreements, loan modification agreements, heirs and omission statements, owner's affidavits, signature affidavits, limited powers of attorney correction agreements, compliance agreements, loan proceeds delivery instructions, occupancy affidavits, HELOC agreements, disclosure statements, and many, many more. The notarial certificate for an oath or affirmation, known as a jurat, is used when an oath or affirmation is required. It must include the venue, the name of the principal, the date of the oath, the notary's signature, seal, and expiration date. Unlike acknowledgements, the document must be signed in your presence for a jurat. Administering an oath or affirmation is essential and must be done correctly. The oath is typically given with a hand on a holy book, though affirmations are an alternative for those with conscientious objections. Verification or proof certificate for a subscribing witness. This is a rare type of certificate that is used when a subscribing witness vouches for a principal's signature without the principal appearing before the notary. This certificate must include the venue, names of the subscribing witness and principal, the notary's signature, seal, and expiration date. There is also a verification or proof certificate for a non-subscribing witness. It involves a non-subscribing witness verifying a signature. This certificate must contain the same components as the subscribing witness certificate, but does not require the non-subscribing witness to sign the document. And there are some restrictions for the use of proof of execution certificates. Proofs of execution cannot replace acknowledgements or be used on DMV titles. They are typically reserved for situations where the principal cannot appear before the notary, and they're also not eligible for emergency video notarization here in North Carolina. Notarial certificates from other jurisdictions. Certificates from other jurisdictions are acceptable if they comply with federal law or the laws of the issuing jurisdiction. However, always ensure they meet the requirements for recording in your state. It is also important to pay careful attention to this part for those completing loan signings, because many signing services and title companies are based out of other states. It seems like especially California in my experience. Maintaining our commission and ensuring that the deed of trust is recorded within the county of North Carolina counties is crucial, and is going to require that we complete these notarial certificates correctly. That wraps up our exploration of notarial certificates. Properly completing these certificates ensures the legality and trustworthiness of notarized documents. If you found this chapter helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and share it with others who might benefit. Leave your questions or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. For more in-depth information, check out our playlist on Notary Essentials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next chapter. Cape Fear Notary Services, that's class.